Hello everybody, welcome to Cooking Lesson with Chidebere. Today we are cooking Egusi soup with bitter leaf. Let's start with my prep ingredients. To make this delicious soup, we have Nigerian palm oil, egusi, parboiled or salted meat, crayfish, dried fish, pepper and Maggi cubes, and last but not least, bitter leaf. First, put the palm oil in the pot. Then add the egusi and mix well. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Now add the salted meat. And cook for approximately 30 to 40 minutes. Now cover the lid. As you can see, the food is boiling. And now we know that it's boiled. But I'm going to mix it a little bit more. Now it's time to add our crayfish. Then add the Maggi cubes and the chili. Then now mix. Mix, mix, 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 mix. Now that we're done, we're time to add the dry fish. Now, as you can see, I'm mixing it for the final stage. Now it's time to sprinkle our bitter leaf. Now, as I've sprinkled it, I'm going to mix. Mix, mix, 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 mix. Now I'm going to cover the egusi soup and let it cook for 30 to 40 minutes. As you can see, it's ready by this thing flapping up. It looks all nice now, but first I will need to mix it. Mix, mix, mix. 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 What you eat this with is either gari or pounded yam. And if you're Nigerian, you know both of them smack well. Ofe di ụtọ bịa rie nri. As you can see, it's delicious. It's talking to me in the flavors. Imeela Kodi. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Yummy, yummy, yummy.